Hello friends, today I am going to teach you subject SS topic 4 weather and climate. Part 1 page number 23-24. People live in different places in the world and follow varied lifestyle. In the world all kind of people live there, all people's living lifestyle is very different. Their lifestyle, their shelter, their language, their living habit, their food, their clothing, their languages, all are different in all regions. Friends, our India is a secular nation. The earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air called the atmosphere. Our earth is surrounded by very thin layer. It is known as the atmosphere. There are layers inside the earth and interact with the top layers of the earth crust. Our earth has three layers. Inner layer, outer layer. The outer layer of the earth is called the crust. Now friends, I am going to teach you about weather. Weather is the condition or the state of atmosphere over a short period of time at a particular place. Weather. Now friends, today's weather is cloudy and windy. And also sometimes the weather may be changed. Sometimes it may cloudy, sometimes it may be windy, sometimes it's cold, sometimes it may rainy. Now weather's condition every time may be changed. Weather is the condition or the state of atmosphere over a short period of time at a particular place. Weather never be same in any kind of condition and any kind of place. Weather may be changed. It keeps changing from time to time. Weather may be changed time to time. Why may be changed? Weather never be as the same at every place and every time. When the sun is at the horizon, the weather is pleasant. When the sun is in horizon, in the same line, the weather may be at that time is the pleasant. And when at noon, when the sun shines brightly above our head, the weather is very hot. At 12, when the sun is above our head, at that time we feel the weather is very hot. Why? At that time sun's rays directly follow our body, follow to us, so that we feel very hot. At the evening, when the sun sets, the weather becomes pleasant. After that, when sun moves, at that time sun's rays do not follow us, so that the weather becomes very pleasant. Then earth, each day weather of a place may change. With each day weather may not be same. Every day the weather may be changed. Even during the daytime, 2 or 3 times weather may be changed. Sometimes it's cloudy, sometimes it's windy, sometimes we feel very hot. The weather at one place may be different from one place to same time. At the same time, all the places weather may be changed. They may be same. For example, April, May and June, it is very hot in the northern hemisphere, but it is cold in the southern hemisphere. In southern hemisphere, April, May and June, at that time it is maybe feel very cold, and in northern hemisphere at that time April, May and June, the northern hemisphere feel very cold, and the southern hemisphere at that time feel very hot. This condition of the weather may change due to the direction of the sun rays, direction of the sun rays. If the direction of the sun ray, if any hemisphere follow the direction of the sun rays directly, they get directly sun rays, this hemisphere feels very hot. And if the northern hemisphere feel very hot when they feel direct rays of the sun, and the southern hemisphere feel very cold because its direction may be changed. For example, December, January and February, it is just the opposite. At the same time, if the northern hemisphere feel very hot, at that time southern hemisphere will feel very cold because northern hemisphere is of the direction of the sun rays and its back side, southern hemisphere may be the front side. Changes in weather condition also affect our daily activities. When the weather change, we also feel different lifestyle. We use different lifestyle. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes and eat very spicy foods and hot foods. We like to eat very hot food. Then after, in monsoon season, we use umbrella, raincoat, this kind of tools. And in summer season, at that time we like to wear woolen clothes due to changes of weather, and we like to eat very cold things like ice creams, etc. and also drink cold water, like to drink cold water. This may be occur due to the changes of weather. Friends, in winter season, we wear woolen clothes due to the cold. To feel in winter season, our body feel very coldness. That's why we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep us warm from the weather. And in summer season, we wear cotton clothes to control sweat from our body. At that time, we like to eat very cold things. In summer season, we like to sit in air conditioned rooms, and every day we use AC at our home also, and we like to eat ice cream, drink cold drinks, cold water, etc. So weather is generally affects our body and our lifestyle also. Now friends, let's talk about climate. Climate is the weather condition of a place for a long period of time. It is different at place to place in the world. In the world, climate never be same in the condition. It may be changed from whole the world. It may rain throughout the year in some areas of the world, while some areas may be dry almost the whole year round. When in India we feel monsoon season, at another part of the world they may be feel summer season, and another part of the world they may be feel winter season. Now whole the world, due to the climate and due to the weather, seasons may be changed and atmosphere also may be changed. The climate of a place affects the food habits, clothing whole the year and whole the world. The climate of a place affects the food habits, clothing, transportation and houses of the place. In cold region, people maybe live in wooden houses to control their body, to save their body, to protect their body of the cold. In some region, people maybe live outside and they live in a open air. Due to the hot climate. Sometimes their food habits also may be changed. People who live in cold region, they may be eat generally. Those persons are called eat meat eaters means वो generally they eat meat whole the year, and they are known as carnivorous people. Their clothing style also may be changed. People who live in cold region, every year whole the year they wear woolen clothes on their body. And transportation, Transportations also may be changed due to the climate, and their houses, their living places are also changed. People who study climate are called climatologists. The people who study about the climates, they are known as climatologists. Elements of the weather and climate. Elements of the weather and climate. Temperature. Temperature is the measurement of weather or coldness of around the world. Temperature and amount of rainfall at different places of the world are same. Whole the world, temperature around the world may be the same as a travel far and wide. Far and wide. If we travel maybe far, the temperature may be the same. There are many factors affect the climate of a place. Climate may be affects of the place and humidity and rainfall. Humidity and in monsoon season, air humidity may be very gain. The amount of water vapor of moisture present in the air known as air humidity. Air humidity means the amount of water vapor in the moisture in the air. It is known as air humidity. Degree of humidity of a place is also related to its distance from the sea. Near the sea coast areas, they feel very most of the air humidity due to the heatness of water and sunlight. Humidity of a place increase in rainy season. We feel very more air humidity and increase as the air carries more moisture in then. That is why seasons in rainy season humidity affects the climate of a place. It causes rainfall. If air humidity is more in air, it may be rain. In very cold places, humidity causes snowfall instead of rainfall. Then factors. Due to the air humidity, the factors influencing the climate. Factors influencing climate. First of all, latitude. On our earth, latitudes and longitudes are on our earth. Latitudes and longitudes are on our earth. Latitudes refers to the distance of a place from the equator receives more sunlight than any other place on the earth. As it is the close to the sun, as we move away from the equator towards the pole, the temperature gradually decreases. When we move towards the poles, this is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. When we move towards, this is the equator. When we move towards the pole from the equator, in northern hemisphere, we feel very cold, and when we move towards the equator from the southern hemisphere, we feel very hot due to the rays of the sun. The variation is due to the shape of the earth and the angle at which sun rays fall on it. Sun rays fall on it, North Pole and South Pole. We know that the earth is special in shape and its axis is tilted. Our earth's axis is little bit tilted. Tilted means one side normally. Hence, the rays of the sun fall either vertically or slanting on the surface. The vertical rays passes through a less volume of atmosphere and hardly lose heat. This is why the regions near the equator which receive the direct rays of the sun are warmer. On the other hand, the slanting rays of the sun passes through the large volume atmosphere and lose heat in the air. Thus, the regions away from the equator which gets slanting rays of the sun are very cold. The regions which get slanting rays of the sun, they feel very cold, and regions which get direct rays of the sun, they feel very hot.